I'm going to talk and my phone will type everything I say live. This is already on your phone and the app in question is Google Recorder. If you can't find the app in your phone, simply open the App Store and then in the search section here, you want to search for Google Recorder. You find Google Recorder, so tap on this and then go ahead and install the application. Once installed, you want to tap on Open. Here you're going to see the record button, so simply tap on record and it automatically starts recording your audio. Now while recording, all you need to do is tap on transcript in this section and you see the transcript as you are recording live. Now after recording, you'll find all your audio files in this section. To share the transcript, tap on the recording and you'll be able to tap on transcript here again. You see the transcript again here. To share, simply tap on the three dots in this section here and you see share. You find audio and transcript to share transcript file and audio file. You also find share transcript to Google Docs if you want to share it to your Google Docs. Share transcript to Notebook LM to share to Notebook LM. Now when you tap on audio and transcript file in this section, you see the option to select transcript and audio. So tap on transcript and then tap on next in this section. This will pull up your Android share menu where you can share to your contacts and share through other apps. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.